walk of Steall Falls. As soon as we got out of the car, mosquitoes, like a bunch of mosquitoes, started hovering over us, and now there's loads of mosquito bites. Look at Sophia. Oh, there's 2 in her back, and I've got it all around my face.
There's 3 on my back.
Behind the ear also.
Yeah.
There's everywhere. It's in my hair too. Look over there, there's waterfall.
Where?
There.
I can't see the waterfall.
There.
Oh yeah, that is the tiny waterfall. I hope that is not Steall waterfall. Otherwise it will be quite disappointing to walk all the way there and see a tiny waterfall. I think it's quite high. It is 120 meters high and it is quite big fat waterfall. Okay, shall we go on? It's a long way.
I stolen Mummy's sunglasses and they smell nice.
And they are nice also.
Yeah.
Aren't they? They are protecting you from sunlight.
And they're so...
Soon I might change into my shorts.
Yes.
I'm getting hot now.
Yeah.
Okay, come on girls. We need to walk faster. It's a very steep climb. Come on, Sophia. Okay, who can reach that top?
No, I'm not doing any races.
I'm going to do that.
Well, you're the one who's gonna get tired. Hey, look here.
Waterfall is over there now.
Whoa! I'm so high up. We walked so much already. And this looks like a slide. If the flowers weren't there, then it would be a very nice slide.
Come on, Sophia.
Run!
So I've been reading that, Ben Nevis, the mountain, that it's the tallest mountain in the UK. You know, the Alps in Europe, they're like 3,000 meters. But
Quite high.
yeah. A waterfall! There's people! We should have bought our swimming costume. Someone's obviously been camping here because there's a tent and a white fire. That means it could still be warm. And normally coal goes white. Some naughty people have left some of their picnic around in this beautiful place. Some bottles, milk, juice and water. They should have cleared it up. It's very bad for the environment. I'm gonna cross. Yeah, step on this rock. Step, can you? Yay! Holding balloons! We've already walked like 1 hour, and according to other people, there's still like 1.5 hours left.
Are you not enjoying it?
I am. It's totally adventurous, but according to the people who just told us how long it was, there's going to be lots of mosquitoes and mud. So, Sophia, which way are you going?
This way.
I'll go that way, and Mummy, you go with Sophia.
I'm going to try this way.
Oh yeah, that was so much easier, but that was more fun.
Few moments later.
Oof. Because of the rocks, mud and water, we're slowing down a bit, but it's still fun. I've recently watched Jurassic Park, and it gives me the feeling that we're in Jurassic Park because there's lots of mosquitoes, bushes, falling down trees, lakes, rivers, and everything, most of the things that Jurassic Park has.
I would like to make my bag less heavy too. So yes, of course.
Yay!
Do you girls want to drink some water?
2 very boring minutes later.
There's so many mosquitoes, I'm going to just run through this part. Go, Sophia, go! Look, there's stone steps, natural steps.
Well, I'm
Or maybe they're not natural, but they're stones. They look cool.
Ooh, Sophia is really fast. It's quite a steep climb and these steps are making it a bit easy. Zahra is being bugged by Midges, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, she is.
They can still bite me.
Yes, they are. Zahra attracts loads of Midges, right?
If you swang down there, you would like die or something.
Die or something.
Yeah.
That's a big word for a little girl.
We started walking right over there. Just like at the end of the river kind of part. Whoa, that's so deep. As you can see, it's lots of rocky terrains and deep gorges, and it's quite hard now.
It is the windy, isn't it? My hand's dead.
That rock is like bigger than about 100 elephants put together. That's big. Hooray, the waterfall! Come on, guys! The waterfall's here! Look how wide the river is. I think it was the worth the climb. And the waterfall over there is so full and beautiful. But I think I'm up to it. I'll have to wait until the other people are done.
Much later.
How do I get from there?
I won't be able to do it. I'm not tall enough. We're also getting an ice cream after this walk because it's very hot and sunny. But Savia gets 2 ice cream, and I think that's very unfair. Finally, we're here. So that was it for today. There were beautiful views, lots of rocks and rivers. We played in the water a lot. It was a lot of fun, except from the Midges, which bit us a lot, and I have nibbled a lot. But yeah, that was it for today, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.